The Samsung Galaxy S25 Slim isn't just a smartphone. It's a masterpiece of innovation and design that's set to define 2025. With its impossibly thin body, vibrant AMOLED display, and a camera so advanced it feels like carrying a professional studio in your pocket, this phone is built to impress. Powered by the latest cutting-edge chipset, it delivers blazing fast speeds, effortlessly handling gaming, multitasking, and more. Whether you are capturing stunning shots or turning heads with its sleek design, the Galaxy S25 Slim is the ultimate tech companion. Stay tuned as we uncover what makes this device the standout smartphone of the year in our in-depth next video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechVerse for more exciting updates.